Hi everyone. Today I'm going to read for you Shapes in the Kitchen. How many of you have a kitchen in your house? I have a kitchen. How many of you have a round plate, a circle? There's a circle cup and a circle plate. What other shapes do you notice on our cover? Yeah, there's a triangle napkin, some circle cucumbers, some circle tomatoes, some circle peas. Yeah, you notice that there's two different colors here. There's a yellow circle and a blue circle. And very up close, there are little teeny tiny squares on the plasticware, the knife and the fork. Let's see. So this book is written by Tracey Steffora. Shapes around us. Shapes are everywhere. There are many shapes in the kitchen. You see shapes in the first picture? There's some shapes in this kitchen. I see some rectangles, some triangles, some circles, some more rectangles, and small rectangles, four small ones within a big one. Yeah, there's a lot of shapes in that kitchen. Squares. So this is a corner. And these are called sides. A square has 4 sides. A square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. This tile is a square. Do you see how it's a square? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. This cheese is a square. Do you have cheese in your kitchen? You see how it's a square? It has how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. And how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. This window is a square. Yeah, this is also a square. You see, this is a square, and this is a square. What else is in this picture? There's some things in the background. Yeah, there's a circle plate, a circle saucepan. Oh, and we were just talking about circles. This has got a circle. A circle is a round shape. It has no corners. You see, you can start here and go around. No corners and no sides. This drain is a circle. Where do you see drains in your house? Yeah, in the sink or the bathtub or a shower stall. This is where the water and the germs go down when you wash your hands. This apple is a circle. Did you know that apples were circle shaped? This plate is a circle. It goes all the way around. This one actually has multiple circles in it. It has a yellow circle, a green circle, and then a smaller green circle in the middle. Rectangles. A rectangle has 4 sides, just like a square. A rectangle has 4 corners. 4 corners, just like a square. But a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Let's go back to our square so we can see how they're different. So a square has 4 sides that are the same length. A rectangle has 2 sides that are the same and 2 sides that are the same. You notice? Yeah, the square is shorter and the rectangle is long. It's kind of like long and skinny. This door is a rectangle. What else do you notice in this picture? Yeah, the oven. Do you have an oven in your kitchen? And what about a sink? Do you have sinks in your house? What do you do at your sink? Yeah, you can wash your hands. What else? You might wash food in the sink if it's in a kitchen, but we don't wash food in our bathroom sink. That would be dirty. This sponge is a rectangle. It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides, and 4 corners and 4 sides. This cutting board is a rectangle. If you picked up a nutrition kit, you also have a cutting board. It looks a little bit different than this, huh? Our cutting board looks like, I'm going to put this down so I can pull out our cutting board. It looks like this. Yeah, you have a cutting board just like me, where we can chop, 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 and slice and do all sorts of cooking things. So this is a wooden cutting board, and you have a plastic cutting board. And then there's the tomato. Do you remember what shape that was? Yeah, it's a circle. Triangles. A triangle has 3 sides. A triangle has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners and 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. This sandwich is a triangle. Do you cut your sandwiches in triangles or do you cut them in half into a rectangle? Some people cut them in this way and then this way. So then it makes squares, 4 squares. This napkin is a triangle. Could you tell it was a triangle? It looks like a little different than this other triangle. You see this one? The corner is at the top. This triangle, the corner is at the bottom. Let's rotate the book and see if we can find it in a different way. Does this look more like the triangle on the other page? No, it's still different, right? Now the corner is pointing to the side. Let's keep turning it. What about now? Does that triangle look like the one on the other page? Yeah, now the triangle is at the top. There's the corner at the top. It is just like this other triangle. That means triangles can be rotated different ways, but they are still considered a triangle. This samosa is a triangle. These are really tasty. They put like different things inside, like meat or sometimes other like vegetables and things. Shapes in the kitchen. How many shapes can you see? Let's find out. So, oh, we gotta turn it this way so you can see the picture. many shapes do you see in that picture? We see these tiles are square. These tiles up here are also square. These blue tiles are rectangles. This top of a pepper shaker or pepper mill is circle. This orange is a circle. This plate is a circle. This cutting board's a rectangle. This container is a circle. These lids are a circle. And so is this tea kettle. There are a lot of shapes in that kitchen. How many shapes do you have in your kitchen? You should go look and then let me know. Oh, this says a picture glossary. That means it tells you more details about the different words in the book. The end. I hope you enjoyed that book. Until next time, bye.